you got.
Wow. Cool, dude.
He's gonna like that slide. Come here, look at Bud. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Horsey? Look, Hunter. Look at this. Look, Bud.
Hunter, look at. Look at. Look at the pony singing to ya. Yeah. You want to get on him? Look, you can get on him.
Whoa, try it out.
Come on.
Nice.
Who is that? Bubble? Here, let me put this in the oven and he can open it.
Wow. Let me see that. What is that? Dinosaur. Rawr. You like that dinosaur? Cool, dude. Ow.
I'm just going to do half with bacon because Kelly doesn't really like bacon.
Oh, dinosaurs on the slide? Hey. Mmm. Mmm.
You like everything, Bud? Anna did good.
You dancing? Look. Look it, you could climb on him. Another dinosaur? There goes the other dinosaur. Hi. Hi. You want to ride on him? Want to sit down? Climb on. You like petting him?
You're my favorite rocking rider.
Whoa! You throwing the dinosaurs down the slide? Ooh, whoa! Careful. You smashed all the other presents. Rawr. Whoa! Can you climb that slide?
on it? You want to get on the pony? Get on the pony.
I don't know if he knows.
Here, come here. Look, watch. All right. Okay, look it. Let's open your present. You want to open present? Huh? Look it. Toys and dinosaur. What did dinosaur say? Rah. Uh-huh. Here, you want to look through your stocking? Huh? Let's give him a present. Look it. Want to open this one? Puncher. Want to open this one?
Bubble Puppy.
Who's this guy? Who's that guy?
Bubble.
Bubble Puppy. It's your very own. Here, you want to open? You want to open this present? This is from Mommy.
Oh, so
Mommy
nice.
and Daddy. This is from Mommy and Daddy.
You give him a kiss?
Give him a
Mama.
kiss. Mama. Here, you want to open? Here. Look. Want to open? Huh? You want to open your present? Open it up.
Oh.
Open it up. Oh, take out the paper. Here. Open it. Look at. Oh. Who is that? Bubble.
Bubble Guppy.
Look at Bubble Guppy jammies. Bubble Guppy jammies. Who's on the pants? Bubble. Yeah. Say thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Is that cool? Now you got your Bubble Guppy jammies and Bubble Guppy puppy. Cool. You want to open another one? Or should we give Daddy one?
No, he can keep opening.
Cool.
What are those?
Yeah, blocks, and you put the string through.
Oh.
Helps develop hand-eye coordination.
Thank you.
Look at this
Wow.
too. You and Daddy can play with. Airplane.
Vroom, vroom.
Airplane. You want to get another Hunter? You want to get another present?
Get another present, bud.
You want to get another present?
Cookie! Cookie Monster.
It's coloring book.
Yeah.
Huh?
Cookie. What else you got over there?
You want to get another present?
I see a tool set for
Look at-
you.
Look at Bud. Look at that. Here, give Mama this. And go get something else. Go get something else. We got all this other stuff. What's
Yeah.
that?
Whoa.
Is that a drill? Look at watch. Watch here. Put your hand here. Look, watch. funny.
Oh, cool. Drill.
Oh, no, I don't know if you want to do it to your head.
Ow.
Is that cool?
You hear it?
Does he think it's the hairdryer?
I don't know.